Hi, this is a short video for circle and a square auto care. This is your EuroVan instrument cluster. Now I have a power up and I'm providing some of the signals. I'm going to start checking the fuel gauge and transmission, and temperature signals, which are the common problems on the actual cluster. You can see right now the coolant level is off. I'm doing two tests first. It's going to be the level itself. The response was perfect. I'm going to go high on the temperature to see if immediately comes on, and it did. So that is a good sign. That is like overheating. The next one will be the actual gauge itself. It does a test when I turn it on. So let me turn this on. And if I unplug this, these are the tests for those. And now if I turn this on, you'll see that the lights will flicker and then goes away. And it did. So that's perfect. And that will come on pretty shortly. And that is what I'm expecting to see. It will start flickering. And that should be the normal response on the actual cluster, seeing the signal is not correct. So yeah, that is working as it should. Things that I notice immediately is the cluster itself lights are not on, not working. So I'm going to open the cluster. I can also provide a speed, as you can see, that is indeed working good as well. It's nice and smooth. So again, I'm going to open the cluster and see what else I can see. But externally, and all the tests are passing now. I see the lights not working, so I gotta open the cluster and take a look inside. I will give you more updates as I open the cluster and get more findings. Thank you so much. All right, more updates on your cluster. Yes, definitely the most common areas. We got a bed voltage regulator, some of the capacitors leaking already. I will, as you can see, already got all the stepper motors out that were installed here, and I'm about to resolder all the normal areas that are always crack on these boards. I did found some little, water intrusion on the board. I will clean. I have already everything ready to go to start doing the process of cleaning and everything for that. Again, it's just the normal areas of repair. I will be contacting you shortly for approvals and then starting the process, which I know that you for sure need the cluster ready. I will be contacting you shortly. As usual, you're in good hands. Talk to you later. Bye bye. All right, now testing the cluster after the repairs. Everything is beautifully working. It was perfect timing on this cluster. The capacitors weren't leaking so bad that it would have damaged the board. Not in this case, because I have seen that happen when it's no longer possible to repair, or I have to run outside traces and depends how sensitive the damage was, but not in the case in here. So you can see now all the outside lights are working. Um, Turn signals, everything is good. Let me put the temperature and also that into work. I have to actually reset because I have the coolant and fuel level disconnected. I always do that just for the sake of the test. So I need to connect these two together. Let me stop the video 1 second. I'll be right back. All right, so yep, everything is working good. Let me put more speed in here. Just going slowly always to make sure that the speedometer is reading good. Yep, no problems at all. It moves, as you can see, back and forth really good. Right, let's raise the temperature as we saw that before. Yep, that's perfect. And that happens when it reaches over 3/4 of the temperature. And the circuit is working good. Now slowly it's going to come down. As you can see, all gauges, everything is working good. I will not hold you on the video for long. Just I will keep testing, make sure everything is good. But Yep, Custer is good to go. We'll be contacting you shortly to collect payment and then shipping this tomorrow over to you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.